This is the highest rated capacity cribbing on the market.
Once you remove the valve core, you can take the tire up to the pressure that you want.
Lots of different sizes. We have colors for every market.
Anybody in commercial tire, especially retread type assemblies where they need to overinflate.
The quality of the products and the quality of the components that make up the inside of the jack.
It's a water-based speed breaker. It's non-flammable, non-combustible.
It's becoming a very good product out in the marketplace. We're excited Myers is selling a lot of these.
And it also includes basic diagnostics, so it's really 3 tools in one.